Good morning, guys. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, and welcome back again to Father and Son Lifestyle. So you don't know we're in the countryside as usual. No, I can't say as usual. No. You don't know. Then I sent it for the holiday. Yeah, after New Year's we go up. Yeah, man. Go on full joy myself. Go on take in some natural breeze. You know, environment clean and pretty. Yeah. All around me is just nature. Yeah, so remember, guys, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share. Turn on the notification bell whenever a video drop from Father and Son Lifestyle. You get notified, you understand? Yeah, man, and big up to all of the newcomer them. I say newcomer them, new subscribers. Yeah, man, oneness, peace, love, unity, and strength. Realest know the realest. That's the thing, so I take a walk go down on the field. I down at the pig pen. Yeah? So I go on. Big up on yourself. Out on the road, look at the road red. Yeah, man. You know, so I going to shout out some of my lovely subscriber them. Yeah, man. So, cause we have to be grateful, Yeah, man, we have to be grateful in life. And whatever someone have done for you, you have to respect them for that, Because people out there work hard for their money. Yeah. And if they give a sponsor, you have to give a thanks, man. And if a $1 US, you have to give a thanks. You understand? So, big up my Charmian. Brother Dennis, bless up yourself. TC Lifestyle. Big up Alicia. Yeah, man. Captain Kirk, you don't know the chops go. All heap of blessings. You understand? Miss Hyacinth. Yeah, man. One love, man. Yes. Patrice. Slim. Yeah. Have a dull moment with you guys. Nick. Yeah, trouble, Say one RJ. Big up yourself, Nick. You understand? Mickey and Stretch, big up yourself again. Always have a big one up, Sunlight. Maki. Yeah, man. I'm a G, that I'm a bro. You understand? Yeah, man. Oneness. Red Rooms. Welcome to Father and Son Lifestyle. Big up yourself, Every time. I hope we not call it, guys, because we are call it off our brain, We don't write down things, We have to memorize things one time we are talk. You understand? Yeah. That is always there with us. Miss Opal. All heap of blessings. Yeah. Yeah, man. Vibes. Big up yourself. A two vibes, Yeah, man. Chevy. Blessings, Zaro. You don't know the chaps go. All heap of blessings, my G. Colors. Man himself. You don't know, man. All heap of blessings, bro. Yeah, man. You're a teacher and preach and you show me a lot. Yeah, man. I talk the truth. G-Mile and Boss, blessings Whitney and Ivan, Mama Ivan and Whitney, big up every time. Boom, 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 blessings. So you don't know, Oliver, 100 TV, Hoshin and Naya, yeah. You don't know the chops going, Yeah, man, I'm a survive 39 already, man. You don't know. Big up on yourself, guys. I just look at vlogging me doing the day, yeah. So I'm going to look at shout out and I hope not shout yet. Please remind me, I leave it in the text. Let's leave a comment, say, you never hear your name. Alright? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. As I say, see there? Some lovely goat right here. And everybody know a goat, Yeah, them May. At December now. Soon touching a January. So when time May come, I can keep on saying May. Yeah, man, and so we have some nice pumpkin right here. And guys, who don't know Sorosy? Here you have Sorosy. Yeah, man, some lovely Sorosy right here. Yeah. And so one lovely pimento tree right here. Yeah, man, this is a pimento, Yeah, man, a pimento this, guys. It's good for when you do some jerking. Smell nice. Yeah. Even when you do some curry, you put in a pimento leaf if you not a pimento seed. Yeah man, that is it man. Alright. So as we say, we're down at the countryside, I'm showing you a look of everything. Yep. Alright, I'll show you look like the field over there, you know. Cement over there. So you plant up some cucumber and some other stuff. So I prepare up the field. Make sure them get some whole heap of water. Come on. Over the hills.
Down pipe on a record. Down pipe on a record. Article dancehall boy. I saw the finger. I can see my time coming. Been on the road finding money. They cannot quench me from burning. So many bad men just running. See them running around. They try to steal my own gold crown. But although
I saw that man that rode down a woman, you know. Can't this one big Trenton. Don't eat this stuff. One of them things are big business in the guys. There's some big one over here, so. Now zoom it up guys, because I'm showing you I'm a monster, you know. A monster that, look it. So one next one, yeah? Monster them. Monster that one. So yeah guys, but they walk through the bush. They have some wild color. Normally when I come down here, we eat them, you know. Yeah man, them color are nice to eat. Yeah. And see me buck up on one pepper tree here, full of pepper. So I'm gonna pick off some of it. Pick off some of them pepper here. Whole heap of pepper, you know guys. Okay. Pepper like whoa. Get some of the fit one them off it still. Every day I walk through the ground. See this caterpillar here. I don't know the name of it. It's nature, you know. And over there's a water farm. This is how they do it in countryside. See, I love it. Next time I come back here, right here. Cause see the hose here now guys. See the hose that I use and drip here. So now I'll clean up the field so then I can plant some more stuff. Yeah. So some old cucumber there on the ground too, you know. So there was a lot of cucumber here on the field. Yeah man, see them here? See some cucumber here, sir. So then reap already, and then I'm gonna spray the ground again, burn it down, and set it up back again. So that is it. Yeah man. Nature walk, nature talk. Here in the city you can do this. Right now I'm under one tree, well relaxed. Yeah. The one right here is relax, peaceful and quiet. No noise around me, except the pig them gonna make nice. Yeah man, this is beautiful. Lovely. Can't get nothing more better than this, man. Yeah, the pig them hungry now, you know. War at the camp. Yeah, man, a war at the camp over there right now. Nature View TV, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man, we have a link up, man. Yeah, don't know the chaps go. Yeah, man. Guys, lovely. Weather, nice. In the early morning here, you know. Not too sunny. So you must know. Cool. Cool. Stay tuned. Blessings. Alright guys, I will say we do some nature walk. This bush right here is courage. If this ever catch your skin, you scratch like a hand's bite here. Yeah. Nothing normal about this bush. Okay. Don't know what type of trees that are. Things them here on earth. And the Bible teaches you about it. You know? Herb is the healing of the nation. It's a lovely banana tree. Only monkey can tell you about a lot of these bushes. But yeah, man, some more services. Services enough down here. I care up someone time I go up. Yep. Beautiful butterfly flying around. Yep. Yes, guys. Country lifestyle, best lifestyle, you know? No doubt about it. Yeah, I leave from the first spot that I was at. Come sit here on the next guango tree. Yeah. Yeah, man. When you're in the countryside, you know, you can go out there and express and hold a firm meditation. And relax. Free up your mind. Yeah, man. Give a thanks and give a praise every time, you know. Every time you rise above the ground, you give a thanks. Every time you go out and coming in, you give a thanks to the Almighty. Yeah, man. Thank you, Father Jesus. Every time. Never give up. As Zara said, no retreat, no surrender. So, thank you all for watching, guys. Thank you for stay tuned with us. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. I say, often when we are doing vlogging, sometimes we tend to make mistakes while talking. No one is perfect on earth. And we don't. And they classify people that don't know certain words or certain things on earth here. So them dunce. But I just don't discriminate anyone. Each one teach one. So whatever I know I can teach, and whatever someone else know they can teach. Don't feel like you're more important than anyone else because you have more dollars than the next person. Yeah. You're all human being, you're on earth, so we have to show love and appreciation everywhere you can think of. So big up on yourself, guys. Please stay safe on this holiday and season greetings to you all.